up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your iOS 14 screen. I have a few pages customized already, but I'm going to be doing my fourth page today, so I'm going to show you guys what apps to download, how to do it, and everything under the sun, all types of questions that you might have on how to make it really pretty for iOS 14. So if you want to see how you can customize your home screen and make it all pretty and have cute edits, just keep watching. So what you guys are looking at right now is just the screen that I've come up with. So as you can see, it's just very basic, very neutral. This is kind of my vibe, this is my aesthetic that I've been going for. If you guys saw my apartment tour, you'd know my entire apartment is this, just neutral colors, greens, beiges, I don't know, just very simple and elegant, and yeah, I really like this theme. So this is what I created, but today I'm going to be showing you guys the fourth screen, which is not done yet. So as you can see, it's got all these apps. It looks not pleasing anymore, but yeah, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do to customize your home screen is go on Pinterest, or maybe I guess Google Images, but Pinterest has a lot of good examples, and just look up the theme that you're going for. So like I said, mine is neutral tones. So I just went through, I looked at all the different colors, looked at all the wallpaper options. I also really wanted to go for like an elegant designer feel, so designer aesthetic, and you see this is all just kind of what comes up. So I've already taken a bunch of screenshots of things that I want to do, you know, the vibe that I'm going to go for. I actually like this, so I'm going to screenshot that. But yeah, so always get your aesthetic before you even start doing anything. The beauty of this is that everyone's phone can be completely different. Every page can be different. It's literally catered to you. You don't have to have what anyone else has, so that's what I like about it. So the first app you're going to want to download is Widgetsmith. Now, I only use Widgetsmith. I know there's many other apps you could use to get into it, but Widgetsmith is the easiest one for me. So the first thing I'm going to do for this fourth screen, I think I want to add the month that it is. So what you're going to do, you're going to go down to medium widgets, add medium widget, click on it, default widget, you just click on that, and then you're going to see all these different styles. So we have time, date, custom, calendar, reminders, then we have the ones that are locked, so that's like weather. If I was ever to really get into this, I'm not even going to say I might buy it. I might want to do the weather, but anyway, so today we are just going to do the month, so they don't have a custom month, so I'm just going to create my own. Text, I want to say September. Pretty. Font, I like this New York font. I just feel like it matches my little elegance theme. Tint color, I believe I go with white, but I need black, but I need to pick the background color first. So the background that I've been doing is just the cream, and then for tint color, we do black, and then I also did an outline, which you can find again in the background. So you just go all the way to the bottom, and you can like outline it with all these. Black, good, that's pretty, perfect, save. So that's all I'm gonna do for right now. Now we're gonna go to our little home page. This is the fourth page, the one that I'm gonna be updating. And we are just going to hold it down so you can add an app, click the plus, scroll all the way down again. Widgetsmith, the one we did was a medium, but you can do small, large, literally whatever you want. Go add widget, and this is what it comes up with, but this isn't the one I wanted. So what we're gonna do is click the Widgetsmith, click it again, and then you have all of them. So some people name them, I just don't name them. I just know the last one I made is the one I want to use. Hit number 5, and boom, so that's what it's gonna look like. So pretty, and you can move this around. I always start off with it just, at the top, and then whenever I add more, do the different apps, then I'll add it around, but that's it for right now. I'm gonna move all these apps over, and then we can continue. The next thing we're going to do is customize the front of your app, so you can change it to make it whatever you want. You can title it whatever you want. This part's a little more complicated. It took me a little bit longer to get the hang of it, but now that we got it, we're all good. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna go into your shortcuts. So this is the one thing that's kind of annoying that I kind of don't like about this, but when you're customizing your apps, when you actually go to use the app, it's gonna go into shortcuts and then into the app. So there's a short delay. It's not that big of a deal. It's something that you get used to, but I do have a trick on how to make it a little bit quicker of a transition, a little smoother. So if you guys wanna see that part, just wait a little bit more to the end. But back to the apps. So you're gonna go into shortcut, you hit the plus, and add action. You're going to hit open app. Great, now you can choose what app you're gonna do. For me, I think I'm gonna start with the Disney app, just because that's the one I don't have designed yet. You're gonna hit next, shortcut name. I literally just want it called the same exact thing it's called, Disney Experience. Done, perfect. You're gonna click your 3 little dots, Then we're gonna hit this box and arrow pointing up, add to home screen, click the orange box, choose photo. Oh, sorry, I just took a bunch of selfies. Those will be on Instagram a little later today. Anyway, I'm gonna pick the cover for my little Disney app. I think I'm just gonna choose a pretty basic one for right now, just because I'm not sure what the rest of my theme's gonna be. So again, I went on Pinterest and I found all these, so this is what I'm gonna do. Choose, add, and look. It's there. You see that? Right there. Literally, it is that simple, it's that easy. But now all I'm gonna do is edit home screen and move this over into the side that I want. So as you can see, this just gives a very simplistic, elegant look. I'm gonna go ahead and do this to a few different apps so we can see what that looks like, and then I'll show you how to do more of the little widgets. So something else that you should know is that when you do add this app to your homepage, it's not going to delete the app. So you're still gonna have this app. So you see I added Disney and I added Facebook, but look, it is still there. Facebook, still there. Disney, still there. So what you want to do, tap this app, remove it. Now I know you're thinking, like, why not delete the app? You're not going to. Just hit move to app library. I don't know where it brings it. Like, just completely honestly, I don't know where this goes on your phone, but the app stays on your phone and that's all that really matters, and you still get this pretty overlay. But yeah, so I'm just going to do a few more apps and we'll pick up in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, I just did 4 apps. I'm probably going to only keep 4 apps on this page. As you can see from the other ones, I like to just keep it very minimal, not too much color going on. The first 2 pages like my very important main apps, and then it kind of gets like less and less important as we go on. So, you know, I don't need too many apps there, but I do want to put some. Something else that's super important to note that I haven't said yet was the apps that you put on your bottom, make sure that you know which app is what, because you don't have the option to put any of the names. So for me, I kept this exactly the same as it's been for years. So the one all the way on the far left is my messages, in the middle we have Safari, the next one is my photos, and then the next one is Apple Music. So, you know, I've memorized it. My hand just automatically knows what to click when I want to get to what, but super important. Another thing you need to know is that it doesn't show you notifications. So for example, my messages, I might have a couple messages, but they're not going to come up. They don't pop up. So that's something very important to know. You still need to be like cautiously checking your messages if that's what you're into or whatever, but just know it doesn't show it. So yeah. So then the next thing we're going to do is add 2 more widgets, because that's what I think really makes it the pretty customization. So again, we're going to go back into Widgetsmith. On Widgetsmith, we're just gonna add a small one. As you can see, I have many small ones because I always just make a bunch of them and then play around with them, see what I like best. And instead of picking anything, we're just gonna go down to hit photo, select, choose photo, and I think, I don't know. Let's see what is step. Oh, I really like this one. So this is just like marble based. I think that's really pretty. So that one's 12. And again, just follow the same exact thing you do. Hold down, add a widget, small one, and we're gonna update it to be the 12th one. Oh, that's the wrong one, 12th. Pretty, okay, see, I like this. So it's very repetitive. I feel like that's the part that kind of gets like tedious and annoying with it, because once you get the technique down, once you realize how to do it, it's just like annoying having to go back and keep redoing it over and over again. But I'm telling you, it's so worth it because it makes your phone so pretty. I feel like this is cool. See, I feel like this would work though if I had apps in the bottom right corner. So let's like move a little bit around. Yes, I really like this. And then just play around with it, move them around, see where you like it best. Like, I feel like this is cute, but I feel like I can do better. Let's move this back up. There we go. Pretty, okay, I like this. So that's gonna be my last home page. So as you can see, here's the 4 of them together. First page, we got 2 widgetsmiths, then the big one that has the day and the date. Oh, also fun, it just automatically does it itself. I don't know, for some reason, I was like, oh my god, it's like the widgetsmith not gonna update, I have to change it. But no, it updates every single day on its own, so that's really nice. Then the next one, we have another larger widgetsmith, which again, all these pictures are from Pinterest. Then we have my quote, the little beaches. Next one, we have the time, my flowers, the Gucci store. Then we have Paris, September, and the like rock cut gradient design thing. So remember a little bit ago, I was saying how when you open the app, it goes to shortcuts and then goes into the app. So I'm gonna show you what that means. So let's go on Twitter. You see, it goes shortcut, then into the app. But I made it like more of a smoother transition. If you don't already have this transition, basically what it's gonna look like is shortcut. It's probably there for like a second, then it goes to the next one. It's just very like choppy and annoying and ugly. So how you get it to be more smooth, you're gonna go into settings, go to accessibility, go to motion, and then you wanna put reduce motion on, and then just leave it. That's literally it. You can do the prefer crossfade transitions. I'm just gonna leave what I have. I pretty much like how it is. But yeah, that just makes it more of a smooth transition, nothing choppy. It's something so small, but I feel like it really made a difference when I did put it on. That is gonna bring me to the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed, I hope for whatever reason you clicked on this video, I hope I filled that purpose. So you know, maybe you wanted some inspiration for your wallpaper, maybe you just wanted to know how to do it, maybe you don't have the update so you can't do it. I don't know, whatever the reason was, I hope I fulfilled that purpose. So thank you guys so much for watching. My socials will be right here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. But that's gonna be the end of this, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.